Hi, Shay here. So let me share some interesting tips using Figma. First interesting tip is that you can change colors of elements by just typing the name of the color into the fill section. So I have this object here with this color. I can type in red, I can type in blue, and it works like that for black, white, and all the other rainbow colors. Talking about colors and fill properties, you can only scroll on the color area here to change the hue of the color. So with my middle mouse button, I can scroll on this area, and as I scroll, it changes the hue of this color. And if you're using the trackpad, you can hold down Control Command and move two fingers on the trackpad. It changes the hue. So talking about color and fill properties, you can always copy one image fill property to another. Let's say I want to change this image here to this image here. Of course, I can always go to upload a new one and find this exact image. But instead of doing that, click on this item here. In the fill section, I move my mouse towards this edge here and I click on that image property. It gets highlighted that way. I copy and I select this new image and I paste. So another interesting tip is that you can enter math values to the sizing properties here. So this rectangle is 681, and if I want to cut it into 2, which means I want equally half parts, so I click on 681 and divide by 2. So you can add, you can divide, you can multiply, you can subtract. So if you're on Mac, you can use emojis in Figma, and whether you want to name things or you want to use it in your design. The way to do that, select your text, start typing what type of emoji you want. I want a laughing emoji, and I have it right there. So I haven't tried it on Windows yet, but you can try it and let me know if it works. So I hope you're able to pick any of this and try it out. Let me know what you think.